Assalamu alaikum sisters, members, followers, subscribers, viewers. This is my green pepper plant, and it has bloomed into its first flower, and there is another bud if I can show you without disturbing much of it. And I'm really very happy that most of my vegetable plants or seeds or seedlings have grown into proper flowering stage. And this is a um, minimal space project and almost zero budget, because the seeds are from kitchen waste, the manure is from kitchen waste, and sand or dirt is not bought. Actually, it is what remains after a project, and I make use of it before it went into drain or literally disposed of. Thanks for watching.